In this video, I will show you how to install the macOS Tahoe application. So you will see the macOS 26 update as of now. First, we go into the settings. After entering the settings, there is a general section. After clicking on the general section here, you'll see software update. We click on this and you'll see a message saying checking for updates. We wait. For example, right now my macOS, my MacBook, is updated to macOS Secure. As you can see, it tells us that the macOS Tahoe 26 update has arrived. Right here, we click Upgrade Now. We start by accepting. Then it will ask for our password. Here, we enter the password. After entering the password, as you can see, macOS Tahoe 26 has started installing. That's all you need to do. It's that simple. While macOS Tahoe is downloading, we can see its size at the bottom. The download will be completed in about 1 minute, and then macOS Tahoe will be installed on our computer. The download of macOS Tahoe is complete and our new operating system is being prepared. The update is finished and here we immediately click Restart. Right now it's being installed on my computer and soon we'll be left alone with the new macOS Tahoe operating system. Our macOS Tahoe update is complete. As you can see, we are now face to face with the new operating system. The transition to the liquid glass design has also been made. Now we're faced with a different interface as well. The design of the top and bottom bars has completely switched to liquid glass. We're now experiencing a more transparent interface. The edges have become even more rounded. Let's quickly check it again. As you can see, macOS Tahoe has also been installed and now we're together with a fully updated operating system. Follow us for more content like this.